Right, guys. So, once the Statistics South Africa as well as the Department of Employment and Labor has established the total number of unemployment people in the economy, meaning they have established the unemployment figures, these unemployment figures need to be expressed as a rate, meaning they need to be expressed as a percentage. What does this mean? This means that the unemployment numbers have to be converted into what you call unemployment rate. I know you may hear that you'll be saying the unemployment has grown by 0.2%, unemployment is down by 1%, unemployment currently is at 35% or 38% or 40%. How do we get to the unemployment rates? How do we convert these unemployment figures that you have established into unemployment rates to be expressed as a percentage? It's very important for you to understand what is unemployment rate. Guys, unemployment rate, as part of the nature of unemployment, is the percentage of the economically active population, and it's very important for you to remember what is economically active population. We say these are the people aged between 15 to 64 who are willing, who are able, and who are ready and available to do what? For work. All right. Right. That means they form part of the labor force. They form part also of the labor market. So the unemployment rate is the percentage of the economically active population that is unemployed within specific area or within specific demographic group. And I think we'll understand this in detail when we look into the characteristics of unemployment. What do we mean that this is a rate of EAP within the specific area, meaning you may hear that Gauteng has the lowest unemployment, or Free State has the highest unemployment, or Johannesburg has the highest unemployment, or the many black people are unemployed, or the colored people, all those things, meaning a specific area or within specific demographic group. That is expressed as a percentage, but all those percentages that you would hear, 20% of women are unemployed, 35% of youth are unemployed, 18% of white women are unemployed, 20% of Indian men are unemployed. All those percentages, they are regarded as what? As unemployment rates. So the unemployment rate, guys, is measured using the following formula. It's very important because in section B, you may come across a question in a data response question, which may require you to do what? To calculate unemployment. So it's very important for you to understand the formula in terms of what is the formula of calculating unemployment rate, and how do we use this formula. Are we still together? So guys, here is the formula that measures unemployment rate. How do we get to these percentages? So the formula will be the number of unemployed, meaning for us to get the unemployment rate equals to the number of unemployed people divided by the total number of economically active population multiplied by 100 divided by 1. Then the answer you will get, it will give you unemployment rate. As I indicated earlier in the middle of the lesson or at the beginning of the lesson, that for us to explore these rates in detail, we are going to use more of the quarterly labor force survey. I said it's very important for you to check these documents. They are available on the Statistics South Africa website. The census report is available at the Stats SA website. The quarterly labor force survey is also available at the Stats SA website. It's very important for you to be able to understand this and use the realistic figures of our current economy. So, in quarter 2 of 2024, South Africa's economically active population was 25.0 million, meaning in quarter 2 of the 2024 financial year, the total economically active population within the South African economy was 25.0 million, meaning we had 25 million people who are aged between 16 to 64 who are willing, who are able, who are either employed or they're available to be employed. And the unemployed members of this economically active population numbered 8.4 million, meaning out of 25 million people who are economically active, only 8.4 million of them were unemployed, meaning 8.4 million, we call it what? Unemployment number or unemployment figure. And what is our source? Our source is the quarter two of the 2024 quarterly labor force survey as published by Statistician General of the Statistics South Africa. Then how do we calculate the unemployment rate? Therefore, the unemployment rate will be 8.4 million, meaning this is the number of unemployed people, divided by 25.0 million, which would be what? The economically active population, multiplied by 100, divided by 1. Then it gave us an equal to 33.5%. What does this mean, guys? This means that the South African unemployment rate in quarter two of the 2024 financial year, meaning in the second quarter of the current financial year, the unemployment in South Africa was at 33.5%. The rate of unemployment was at 33.5%. Are we still together, guys? Great. If there are any questions, please do forward them for us to answer them. Okay? Great.